Hey, hello everyone. I'm back again. My name is Veena Roy and I welcome you to this particular channel, The Influential English Academy. Why the name is influential? Because you have to impact, you have to influence and impact and amplify your knowledge. By learning this particular language, English, and then improving your communication skills, you have to lead in your life. That is why Influential English Academy. So today again, I'm back again with another topic, another interesting thing. But before that, I would like to thank you, each one of you. Do you know for what? There is a news. Not a news, right? There is good news. So what is the good news? The good news is I have hit 1,000 subscribers. Trust me, I still remember two and a half years back when I started this particular YouTube channel, I was a novice. I always used to think that let me mug a few things and then deliver it. Maybe I can take some topics from here and there and then I can share. Although I was an English teacher. But later on I realized that what I'm doing here, it's not something genuinely, whatever I'm providing, it's not something true. Even I'm not improving, recording my sessions, recording my videos, just taking from here and there. Nothing is happening in my life. I'm not improving. But the turning point came in my life when I landed up into a public speaking platform. I met different profound personalities. I learned a lot. I published my book. I gave my TEDx speech as well. Started conducting workshops, started teaching people. Even I'm an IELTS certified trainer now. So one thing I must say that whatever you are doing in your life, have passion first. Don't copy anyone, but sometimes copying is good because when we copy, we learn a lot, but don't exactly copy the things what the person is doing. There are people in this world, the great eminent people, they copy, right? They copy. Yes, you heard me right. They copy, but they do that particular thing in a different way. See, there are so many people, they are teaching English fluency communication skills. The topics are similar, but they teach in a different way. So try to do something in a different way. But the topics and all the ideas will be almost same here and there. So that is why I would like to thank you all for achieving this, you can say not an award, but the name that the Influential English Hub has hit 1,000 followers. Now you might be thinking 1,000 followers only. For me, 1,000 followers is not mere only 1,000. It's something which I was craving for, that when I'm going to hit 1,000. Sometimes when I never used to get, initially I never used to get likes, subscribers, even the comments and all. So I used to feel like, drained. I'm drained. I used to feel like relinquish, give up, leave it. But no, my subconscious mind used to keep telling me, no, Bina, the time will come when you will hit 1,000. And yes, today I hit 1,000. You might never know that I can hit more than that, maybe in coming years, right? Even in your life also, you never know what is going to happen. Life is all about uncertainty. Today, you are doing good. Tomorrow, you can give your something, excellent. You can give your best, not best also. I would not like to add this best. You can give excellent. Or maybe just because of envy, just because of jealousy, you can also come down. So my suggestion to each one of you is be authentic, be vulnerable, right? Whenever you make mistakes, try to correct your mistakes, because this particular video, I am just creating it. It's raw, no editing at all. Why I'm not editing? Because I believe that this is how I can improve and I can give my students, my audience, the best thing. They can also learn from me that This is how you should practice. Be a vulnerable person. If you are making mistakes, show to the world that yes, I'm making mistake. Embrace the mistake and correct then and there. There and then and there. Right? So this way, diligently, every single day, keep working. If you have a passion in your life to achieve success, to earn more money, to gain name, fame, or you would like to spread your knowledge, wisdom, definitely. Every single day without thinking about results, don't give up. Don't relinquish the things which you have right now. Okay, that's why a big thank you to each one of you for helping me to hit 1000, and with your help maybe I will hit one day 1 million subscribers. You never know, right? So thank you each one of you. If you are new in this particular channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button icon and support me to reach more, as well as if you would like to give feedback, if you would like to learn more, your feedback, I would like to welcome you. I would like to welcome your feedback that yes, give your feedback so that I can improve, so that I can give you the best thing which you would like to learn. Thank you so much for your patience. The electricity went off. That is the reason I had to disconnect. So let me continue from here. Today, the session, or you can say this particular video, is going to be interesting. At some point of time, we always want to frame sentences, but we think that which is the exact word I should use. Even we are always in dilemma at that particular point. We want to speak, but some words we don't know, right? Or maybe these action words we don't know, which I'm going to share with you. So today let's learn. If you know, then there is no problem, right? We can revisit. And if you don't know, just listen carefully, watch carefully, and also practice after that, because these words which I'm going to share with you and the actions you can practice at home and get the knack of it, right? So let's begin. So this is the bottle I'm carrying. Please don't use plastic bottles. And I just want to demonstrate. That is why I'm just carrying this. I'm holding this right now. So excuse me for this. So this is the bottle, plastic bottle, and the top, we always say that this is the cap, right? And this particular action, opening this particular cap, we always say that open the cap, right? But you can simply say that twist off it, just to level up your English, right? Twist off this particular cap, twist open, and then what I'm doing is I'm pouring the water, right? After pouring, what I'm doing is I'm drinking, but I'm sipping here. She is sipping. Okay, I'm sipping the water. After that, this annoying sound, I'm slurping. Okay, she is slurping. Sometimes we slurp tea as well, right? And then little faster, gulping the water, gulping. When we are so thirsty, when we are parched, we say she's gulping, or even more faster, you can simply say she's chugging, okay, faster, chugging the water because she is or he is parched, super thirsty. Hope this is clear. I'm swallowing food as well as water. Hope this is clear. Now what you can do is you can practice and you can just use or frame sentences. Whenever you see somebody at your home right now, you can practice all these sentences. And sometimes this particular action, you can simply say that I am choking. Hope this is clear to you. Now what you have to do is create more and more sentences and use in your conversation. So today, I hope you have learned these 5 to 6 action words which are going to help you to frame sentences at times, right? So with this note, thank you so much again. Tomorrow again, I'm going to bring something new so that we can learn and practice to become an effective communicator. We need good words at times to demonstrate, to share that, or to share a story, to become a great storyteller. We really need stories to become a good communicator. So these action verbs we really need to describe that that particular girl was chugging or drinking or slurping, all of these things clearly, right? Hope this is clear. Now I'm just winding up. Hope you are going to like this particular video. Follow for more, and yes, like, share and comment.